How to create a free event on Eventbrite. Once you have signed up to Eventbrite, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And I want you to tap on Create Event, and you can either choose to start from scratch or you could use their AI feature. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to upload a cover photo or banner photo. Then from there, you can change the title of the event by tapping on Event Title. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to call it Free Event. And you can also add in your summary right here. So this is a free event. After doing that, you're going to scroll down and you can choose the date and time and also the location. You could input it and it will show up on the map right here. Or you could tap on the plus. And from there, you can choose whether it is a recurring event or a single event. And you can input the date and time right here that you want it to start. So we could select, for example, let's say it will be the 16th of September. And you can select the time that it will start and the time that it will end. After doing that, you can also select whether it is a physical venue or an online event or to be announced. So you have 3 different options that you can choose from. After selecting an option, so let's say for example's sake, we were to select physical venue, you would put in the venue location. If you were to select online venue, you would simply scroll down and from there you could tap on overview and you could fill in an overview if you want or add an image or video. And then you will tap on save and continue. And by the way, you can also add your lineup by tapping on add lineup, and you can also add your agenda. Then we'll select save and continue. After tapping on save and continue, you'll be redirected to a new page. As you can see right here, from here you can select the platform that you would like to link persons to. Since we said it is an online event, you can either choose to add Zoom or you can choose to link another provider. After doing that, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on add tickets. Once you have tapped on add tickets, since we're creating a free event, we're going to select free. After doing that, you can put in the available tickets. So let's say 10. And since it is free, we'll leave it as free right there. And you can select when sales start, although that doesn't matter since it is a free event. And you can tap on advanced settings and you will see show ticket sales. You can either choose to toggle that on or off. Then you're going to tap on save. After you have selected save, what you'll need to do now, as you can see right here, you can tap on add-ons and you could add any add-ons if you want. You can create add-ons. For example, you can sell additional items for your event like parking, merchandise, or campsites. You can also select promotions and you can see you'll be able to create a discount. You can create an access or promo code. You can also tap on holds and from there you'll see anything that is on hold. And you can also select settings and from here you'll be able to display a message after ticket sales end. You can choose the message that you'd like to display. Once everything is to your liking, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and select publish. So let's do that real quick. After selecting publish, from here you can choose your event type. So let's say for example, I'll just select conference. Then you can choose the category. After doing that, you can choose the subcategory. If you like to add in tags, you can do that. And you can also add in who it is organized by. And you can also preview it. So we could select preview right here. And you could preview how our event looks thus far. So this is how it looks and persons will be able to tap on get tickets. And then from there, they'll be able to choose the amount of tickets they want. Then they'll simply tap on register and they'll be able to register. So it is just like that. After doing that, you're going to simply scroll down. And from here, what we're going to do next, we can select view organizer info. And the reason why you're seeing finished setup is because I did not connect a Zoom or an account that I would like to host it on since I selected online event. But once you've selected an option, you'll simply tap on publish now in the bottom right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.